It was another wild day of trading on Wall Street, despite word that the unemployment rate had dipped to 9.1%. The major stock indices surged, then plunged before bouncing back. At the end of the trading day, the Dow was up at about 60 points. So what does it all mean for our finances? Well, right now, a lot of people are trying to figure out what the fluctuating stock market and the slow job market mean for not only now, but the future as well.
ABC7's Leah Hope joins us with that part of the story. Leah?
Sylvia and Ron, you remember the time when during other volatile times we were told to not look at that 401k or retirement statement? Well, with this recession and so many people out of work that don't have the luxury of those statements anymore. But for those still exposed to market fluctuations, these times can be reason to reevaluate the long-term plan. A dramatic drop and back-and-forth day in the markets comes as a soft American economy and fragile European economies struggle for some consistent growth or simply stability.
Once you start selling, it's like a big snowball rolling down a hill.
David Mirza is an associate professor of economics at Loyola School of Business Administration. He was not surprised by yesterday's drop in the market.
I had a feeling something like this was likely to happen because the dark clouds were on the horizon.
A slight improvement in the nation's unemployment rate brought the market up briefly. But reading into those numbers, the reality is that hiring is still slow, especially for full-time positions. Clients at JVS Chicago get placement assistance in their job searches. Matt Ebner was recently laid off after 23 years in commercial real estate asset management. Now he's looking to create his own asset management group. During this transition, Ebner was tempted to take action with yesterday's market tumble.
I step back and I say, let me think about this for a minute, and I think it makes the most sense to continue to do nothing.
𝐾𝐮𝐭𝐡𝐨𝐫 came to JVS Chicago for guidance in her search as a capital improvements manager. She and her family have already downsized and had to dip into investments. 𝐾𝐮𝐭𝐡𝐨𝐫 has continued to volunteer and consult during her search, and now she focuses on what she can do, not what is beyond her control in the global economy.
What I focus on is what I can be doing that's productive while I am in this stage of life.
Look at your cash flow. Really, truly choose your priorities.
Julie Murphy-Casserly is a financial planner and author of The Emotion Behind Money. She says the reality of jobs and market changes allows clients to determine their comfort with volatility and then make a plan.
Are those things really, truly important, or would you rather sock more cash to the side to protect against maybe losing your job? And make those conscious choices. Don't stick your...
Now, a correctly balanced portfolio, the experts tell us, is one you can live with. And experts do expect more volatility, especially next week. And if you're able to ride that wave, then stick with that plan. But certainly it's not comfortable to see these fluctuations.
Not comfortable.